Welcome to another tutorial video. For this episode, we will learn how to manage or cancel subscriptions on your Google account. If you ever wondered how to cancel a subscription on a 7-day free trial for a certain service on a website or on an application, this is the right video for you. We will go ahead and try to cancel an ongoing subscription just way before it is due for its scheduled payment. To do that, open your browser and visit play.google.com. Click the profile icon located on the upper right part of the page to activate the menu. From the menu that pops up, select Payment and Subscriptions. Once it loads up, you would see this payment method page on the first tab, which would show the list of cards, digital wallets, and all other payment options you activated on your Google Play. We will now click the second tab, which would display a list of your subscriptions. My account does not have any active subscriptions, but in a real live account, it would show just like this. For this video, we will try to cancel HBO Go subscription. Tap HBO Go and wait for the next page to load up. Once it loads up, click on the cancel link just like the one shown on this video. And there you go. We just learned how to cancel a subscription on your Google Play. I thank you for watching this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well as the like button so I can see you on my next video. Have a great day!